I'm Melanie Atkinson, Realtor with Smith & Associates, and I'm campaigning for the 2019 Tampa Bay Woman of the Year. Join me this Saturday for a 24-hour live stream on YouTube to raise money for the West Chase Charitable Foundation. Co-hosting with me, because I can't do this by myself, is Jen Talks Forever.
Hey, the name says it all. We're going to have a great show for you with Tampa Bay trivia, a chance to ask Melanie real estate questions, an actual open house you're invited to, and a few surprise guests. The only thing missing will be sleep.
Tampa businesses, we're looking for you too. Anyone that donates $100 or more is welcome to come by and we'll put you on air. Now this is something we've never done before, so we really have no idea what's going to happen, but let's be honest, that's the best part for you, the viewers. So be sure to tune in this Saturday to support a great cause and see if we can survive 24 hours live.